Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Fabfitfun Mystery Bundle that's the one that I've built to battle Jessica over at Everything Proof. So let's get into it. Jessica and I started the Fabfitfun Mystery Bundles a long time ago, probably, I don't know, a year and a half ago. It's been quite some time. And we would each get our mystery bundles and we would battle each other and ask you guys to go over into the community tab and vote for which one you liked best. And it was always fun and somebody won. But then Fabfitfun started sending us the same mystery bundles. So we got 2 mystery bundles in a row that were the exact same mystery bundle. So last sale, we decided we could beat their system. We each built our own mystery bundle to battle each other with. And that way we knew nobody was gonna have the same mystery bundle. At least we kind of hoped, but we do tend to like different items. So we felt pretty safe about it. And then we each asked you guys in our Instagram stories, which you preferred seeing, the mystery bundle that Fabfitfun built or the mystery bundles that we built. And one of ours, you voted for the ones that Fabfitfun built because then they were a surprise to us too. And in the other story, you voted for the ones that we built. So we decided the only fair thing to do was to do both. We've already put up our battle of the mystery bundles that Fabfitfun built. So if you've already missed that, I will link it up here. Actually, I'll link both of them up here and I'll do it at the end as cards. This video is the one for the bundles that Jessica and I each built to battle each other. So you will see my mystery bundle and we're doing it, if you're watching it as the premiere, we're doing it as a premiere. I hope you're over there chatting with me in the comments. I'm sure Jessica's there too. And then when mine is done, Jessica's gonna go live and do hers as a premiere and we can go over to her channel and battle over there. And then we'll just ask you guys to go down into the community tabs and vote for who you think built the better mystery bundle. It's just for fun. Nobody's feelings are gonna get hurt. It gives us a way to compete and something fun to do on our unboxing channels. When we did this last season, it was about as tight as it could get. So we'll see what happens with this season. So if you were here with the premiere, chat with me over there. And if you're not, we still ask you to go down and vote in the community tab and then go over and check out Jessica's videos. If you are new to the channel or to this battle, Jessica, who I keep talking about, is at Everything Proof Beauty over on YouTube. We met through YouTube. We became really good friends. I am so proud of her. She started her own lifestyle box and is doing fantastic with that. We've just become really good friends. So go over and check her out because I know you guys will love her too. So we're just gonna dive into this and I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm telling you right now, and I hate that we're doing this on a premiere because you guys are gonna be over there chatting like, seriously? I forgot to look up the prices on these, so I'll be letting you know here so you will know. It just won't be coming out of my mouth. I'll put it in during editing. So I am willing to admit I was in a mood the day that I ordered these products. This is an assortment of products that, while a couple of them are products that I really like, it's very eclectic. So let's just go ahead and dig right in. So we're gonna start right off the top with dipsticks. They're called Dipsticks Charades Family Fun. It is talking tables, 160 charades. Dip in, pick a stick, and have a laugh. Act out charades for your friends, family, and guests. Recommended for ages 7 up and more than 2 players. Well, because charades with 1 player would be very sad. I mean, I guess you could get a mirror in. No? Okay. So where to go? There it is. That's what it looks like. Let's see. When you take them out, that is what they look like. Let's open them up and do one, huh? So when you reach right in, I'm just gonna reach right in randomly and pick one. This could be horrible. This is what they look like. The end says charades. I'm covering up the other part because I'm gonna act it out for you. This is a premiere. Something exciting should be happening, right? Let's see what we've got. Okay. I didn't look. I should have looked. So it's charades. So I'm just gonna assume after a couple of seconds that you guys have gotten this. Okay, ready? Did you get it? It was Braveheart. I know it looked like Strongheart, but I didn't know what else. How would you do Brave? How would you do Brave? Anyway, charades. Definitely more fun with more than one person. And actually, when I first saw Braveheart, what I wanted to do is I wanted to speak because, you know, my husband's made me watch it several times. And the quote that I always use from Braveheart, and I've used it with my grandchildren, is, hold. You know, anyway, dipsticks. See, it could be fun. Next, I chose the Serum Kind Black Blossom hand serum. I have picked this up before and I actually have a couple and I thought I would give this to my mom. I love the scent of it and I use it at night. It's the last thing that I put on the backs of my hands. I love that It comes in a little metal tin. It just smells good, and it has the little pointy part on it so that you can poke the metal. And I love everything about this. I love the way it looks. It's a little pink cap. It's fairly basic looking, so I don't mind it sitting on my nightstand. I enjoy this a lot. So that is the second item that I chose for my mystery bundle. The next item, fingernail polish. I have promised myself, it technically was not a New Year's resolution, but I have promised myself that going forward into the new year, I'm going to be better about keeping my nails done. And I chose this, and I'm here to tell you right now, it's OPI nail lacquer. And I'm sure it looks this way to you guys too. It looks black. It just looks black. And it's called Burgundy something, right? Complimentary wine. So it's going to be a very dark color, but it's not supposed to be black. When I took the lid off and I looked through the glass, I could see that it wasn't black. Here, let me put a little bit. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. That is what it looks like. That is gorgeous. It's called Complimentary Wine, and isn't it so pretty? So I thought I would buy myself a couple of new colors to get myself more excited about doing my nails more regularly. And I do lean toward dark colors, so I know this isn't a great I lean toward dark colors way of proving it, but isn't that pretty? That is a Complex Culture color, I think Dream, that came in one of my bags, and I kind of like the way it looked. Next in my mystery bundle, I have this. I didn't know it was coming in a cute little pouch. Looks like it says CV, although the front says Genevieve, so GV, I guess, from Genevieve. There's a little card in here. It says, get inspired, follow Genevieve Jewelry. And these are just sweet studs. Aren't they so cute? I am trying, I've never really embraced smaller earrings because I've always had long hair, and I actually don't have any earrings on today. And in thinking I needed to pick up some studs, I saw these on the sale and they were gorgeous. And I will tell you, in person, they do not disappoint. They are gorgeous. Aren't they gorgeous? They look so pretty, and the sparkle of them looks so real. I just thought they were stunning. And for size purposes, I mean, they're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I want to clean them up a little bit before I put them on. I'm still that person that alcohols the posts before I put them in, but that is so gorgeous. It's a nice long post with just a post back. Gorgeous. I like these a lot. And last but not least, I have Bodyography. That is what that looks like. And it is the Sun Sculpt Bronzer and Highlight Duo. So let's get in here. I've been picking up a lot of bronzers lately. I'm not going to quit until I have one that I absolutely love. I'm using the LYS one right now, and I don't use much bronzer because I'm so pale that I'm always afraid what too much bronzer is going to do on me. But I am kind of enjoying it. But something about this one spoke to me, and that is what it looks like when you take it out. It's really pretty packaging. And when you open it up, the top part has a little half mirror in it, and that is what that looks like. That is a really great bronzer color. I think that's gonna work great for me. Let's try it on the back of my hand. The bronzer side, very nice, not too dry. Ooh, the highlight side, creamy. That is what they look like. Yeah, those colors I think are gonna be great for me. So pretty. I don't know why I'm so enjoying playing with bronzers these days. My plan is to be able to take this pale to bronze looking goddess with just makeup by summer. Okay, so that is the mystery bundle that I built. We try and stay within the parameters of the $29 mystery bundle. I have the Dipsticks Charades Family Fun Game, the Black Blossom Hand Serum from Serum Kind, which I have tried and I love. The really, really pretty stud earrings from Genevieve that are just, they're gorgeous. I don't know how best to show them. I'll put them up here. Can you see part of them up there? The OPI nail polish. And this just fell like 3 times. I'm gonna hold it. And the Bodyography Bronze and Sculpt. In just a minute, we'll go over and check out Jessica's bundle, and then we'll just ask you guys to vote down in the community tab. So I will let you know here how much I spent and what the value of my products was, but we always say, you know, just really, even when we do our regular mystery bundles, we want you to vote with what you would rather receive. If you receive this bundle that I built or the bundle that Jess will have built, and then just head down to our community tabs and vote for whichever mystery bundle you'd rather receive. And if you haven't seen our mystery bundles that were just the actual mystery bundles from FabFitFun, I'll link these here around me now. Thank you so much for coming by, playing along with us. If you're here for the premiere, thank you for chatting with us. That was Jessica's idea, and I think it was a fantastic idea. If you're enjoying the channel, I would ask that you please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have other fun videos coming out. Thank you so much for being here. We'll go check out in a few minutes what Jessica has. I will put a link below that should take you over to her channel, so hopefully that will help. And if that doesn't work, it's at Everything Proof Beauty. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.